Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can stop automatic payments on Chase app. So let's jump right in. Step 1. After signing into the Chase mobile app, select the account linked to the card you want to manage. Tap on Show Details to reveal more options. Step 2. Find the section labeled Automatic Payments and tap Manage. Once inside, tap Edit at the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. Now you can make the changes you need, whether it's adjusting the payment amount, switching the funding account, or turning off automatic payments altogether. Step 4. After you've made your changes, tap Done and carefully review the confirmation screen to make sure everything looks good. Step 5. Finally, tap Update Automatic Payments to save your changes, and just like that, you're all set. With just a few taps, you've taken full control of your scheduled payments quick, easy, and right from your phone.